Filmmaking demands flexibility, detail, and precision. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II offers the tools to capture cinematic quality with ease. In this video, you'll learn how to use the EOS R5 Mark II's extraordinary filmmaking features. The EOS R5 Mark II offers flexibility with frame rates and resolution. Use 4K at 24 frames per second for a traditional cinematic look. Switch to 8K for stunning detail and options to crop or reframe in post-production. This gives you creative control without sacrificing quality. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS autofocus lets you keep moving subjects in sharp focus. The EOS R5 Mark II's AI-driven eye and face tracking ensures continuous clarity, perfect for actors or dynamic scenes where every detail matters. Canon log profiles on the EOS R5 Mark II give you a flat, high dynamic range image that's perfect for color grading. Capture tremendous details in shadows and highlights and achieve smooth, rich colors. Shooting in 10-bit 422 gives you even more depth, giving you maximum control over your final image. With a wide ISO range, the EOS R5 Mark II captures clear, low-noise images, even in low-light situations. With the EOS R5 Mark II, you're all set to create stunning films. Thanks for watching.